Want to know how to implement Salesforce Live Chat? In this quick guide, we'll break it down for you so you can start using this powerful tool to connect with your customers in no time. Stay tuned because we've got some tips you won't want to miss. First things first, Salesforce Live Chat is a feature that lets you communicate with website visitors instantly. If you're looking for ways to improve customer experience, speed up response times, and boost satisfaction, this is a game changer. And the best part? You can get started with Salesforce Live Chat for free by using the exclusive link below, and you'll also unlock some amazing bonuses. Now, let's jump into the steps. The first thing you'll need is a Salesforce account. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and easy. Just head over to the Salesforce website and follow their registration process. Once you're in, you'll be ready to add Salesforce Live Chat to your site. Next, go to the Setup section of Salesforce. Search for Live Chat in the Quick Find box, and you'll see the option to enable it. When you enable it, you'll be able to create chat buttons and configure settings to match your company's needs. This is the heart of the setup process. The third thing you'll want to do is customize your chat button. Salesforce offers a lot of options, including design and placement. You can choose where the button appears on your website, the color, and even the icon that represents it. Make sure it's user-friendly and easy for visitors to find. Next, integrate the live chat tool with your agent's interface. This is where the magic happens. Once it's set up, your customer service reps can start chatting with visitors directly from their Salesforce console. It's efficient and seamless. You'll need to assign agents to chat queues, so the right people are handling the chats as they come in. The fifth thing is to set up automated greetings. When someone visits your website, they should be greeted with a message that offers assistance. This will make them feel welcomed and encourage them to start a conversation. You can also set up triggers to automatically open the chat window if someone spends a certain amount of time on your page. Then, take advantage of the reporting features Salesforce provides. You can track the number of chats, how long they last, customer satisfaction, and more. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement and enhance your customer support strategy over time. Finally, make sure you're using this tool to its full potential by integrating it with other Salesforce services, such as case management and CRM. This way, the conversations you have with customers are logged and can be used to further personalize future interactions. To wrap things up, implementing Salesforce Live Chat is a straightforward process that can dramatically improve your customer experience. Don't forget, you can try it for free with the exclusive link in the description below and get bonus features to help you get the most out of it. That's it for today. Remember, with Salesforce Live Chat, you're just a click away from offering exceptional customer support.